Gold has fascinated humans for thousands of years. It's rare, it's beautiful, and civilizations have built entire economies around it. But here's something surprising. The gold you see in jewelry, coins, and electronics did not originally come from Earth. In fact, the gold on our planet was created in one of the most violent events in the universe. Gold is a chemical element, like oxygen, iron, or carbon. But unlike many elements that formed naturally during Earth's creation, gold requires extreme cosmic conditions to exist. Conditions far more powerful than anything that normally happens on a planet. So if Earth couldn't produce gold, then where did it actually come from? To answer that, we have to travel billions of years back into the history of the universe. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was incredibly simple. It mostly contained hydrogen and helium. Over time, gravity pulled these gases together to form the first stars. Inside these stars, enormous pressure and heat allowed atoms to combine, creating heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. But there was a limit. Once elements reached iron, the process of creating heavier elements inside stars became extremely difficult. And gold is much heavier than iron. So stars alone couldn't easily produce it. Something even more powerful had to happen. For a long time, scientists believed that gold formed during supernova explosions. A supernova happens when a massive star collapses and explodes with enormous energy. These explosions are powerful enough to create many heavy elements. But in recent years, astronomers discovered an even more dramatic source of gold, something called a neutron star collision. A neutron star is the incredibly dense core left behind after a giant star explodes. Just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. Now imagine 2 of these incredibly dense stars orbiting each other. Eventually, they collide. When this happens, the energy released is unimaginable. During this collision, atoms are smashed together under extreme conditions. This allows the formation of very heavy elements, including gold, platinum, and uranium. Astronomers now believe that many of the universe's heaviest elements were created during these violent cosmic events. But how did that gold end up on our planet? When neutron stars collide, they scatter newly formed elements across space. These materials travel through the galaxy as cosmic dust. Eventually, some of that dust becomes part of new solar systems. About 4.5 billion years ago, when our solar system formed, tiny particles containing gold were already floating in the cloud of material that formed Earth. That ancient cosmic debris became trapped inside our planet, which means the gold we mine today is actually older than Earth itself. Because gold forms only during extremely rare cosmic events, it's incredibly scarce. That's one reason it has always been so valuable. Every piece of gold on Earth is essentially a tiny fragment of an ancient cosmic explosion. A reminder that some of the materials we use every day were created in the most dramatic events in the universe. So the next time you see a gold ring or necklace, remember that it didn't just come from a mine. It was forged billions of years ago in the collision of dying stars, which means a small piece of the universe's most violent events might be sitting right on your finger.